Hello guys, it's Chaz here, and welcome to a FIFA 17 Team of the Year pack opening. Today I am joined with my ginger friend Josh.
What's up?
Yep, today we're just going to be opening some packs, hopefully getting some good players. He's got some good pack luck, I've got some crap pack luck.
I mean Danny Alves.
Yeah, I got Danny Alves on the day before, no, on the day the Team of the Year attackers came out, which is annoying. But yeah, you might have noticed no face cam. We had syncing problems because we're running about 30 FPS, so that was good.
Great
So
FPS.
today we're just going to be opening some of these packs. Let's do this. Right.
It's a walkout.
It's a walkout. It's a walkout. First pack.
Oh no.
First pack walkout. First pack walkout. Oh, let's cut these up there. First pack walkout. Oi, boy. No, that's alright. De Bruyne, are you mad? How? Look at this kid. Look at that! De Bruyne on the first pack. He's like 100. Oh my god! Josh! Oh my god! 100k! I just stabbed myself in the eye. Oh my god! Walk out in the first pack. Oh, fancy this. Oh man, I can't believe we got De Bruyne.
I saw the
De
walkout.
Bruyne. It was just a pause, and then it was just like, oh my god.
Well done, Chaz.
It was like, that's a good pack. And it was
Actually,
like, oh my god, that's a good pack.
Okay,
Place them in transfers. Whistle, you've gone to China. Go away. You China boy.
As Conte's to Costa. Go to China!
Alright, Josh is coming back at it again with a 25k pack.
No, I've got no turn around.
Oh, that flare was so small. That was awful. Oh god, what is that?
Straight to score.
Just scarred him. Oh, I don't see his face.
Right. Actually,
Okay, so we'll move on to the last 25k pack.
and then the rest.
Can it be something good? Nope. Just
Oh my god.
oh, it's such a small
I saw that walkout there. And I was
Oh,
like,
it's diarrhea.
in black.
Oh my god.
Keep me dick.
Look, gross.
And keep rolls. Oh, 80.
Oh, Nem! Mate! Nem! Is he not? No, he's not good
He's
enough.
Brazilian, he only has like 3-star skill.
3-star skill moves in Brazilian. You can't. You're not allowed to be Brazilian and have 3-star skill moves. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're moving on to the 15k packs.
Become John. What's your skill? What's your like payout? Oh my god.
It's awful. It's just nothing. It's just a bit bad. We got a rare silver in a 15k pack. Oh, we got a free pack. It's a gold pack. It's a 5k pack, boys. We'll open that at the end once we get all the good packs out of the way. For the next one, here we go. Oh dear.
It can be cool.
Since that's a boy, it's gone a bit downhill, but you know, I can't complain at this point. I mean, I can feel a bit like the pack. We got Dabo. Dab. You can't see us, but we're dabbing. And it was so funny. Back at it again with the 15k packs. It's absolute crap. We could have been informed though.
No.
You know, you didn't let the flares. The contract here, I don't need them. No jobs, seriously.
I'll keep them. Every pack I open, I'll keep them. I think we should do ones.
Yeah. Oh god, it's just not good, is it?
Got 2 rare.
Oh god, what is that? It's Rami.
Boy, no, ideal round.
Mate, he could go for some dollars, so I'm gonna send him
90 rupees.
Get any packs at the end or any money to unlock? Kit.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a kit. Well done, mate.
Did you say meat?
Meat.
Oh, you said meat.
Okay, Josh is coming at us with the last 15k packs. Don't open them. Don't open them. EA, just burn your 15k packs in hell. While you're at it, burn yourself in hell. Scoundrels. Right, we're moving back to the 25k packs.
Those 50k packs are tempting.
They're the only things that are actually good.
And a double chance.
Yeah, the double chat. So,
Bender!
we got.
It explains what you are!
I have crippling depression. No, we just got Jinx. Oh my god. Right, Josh, 25k back. Come on. Just waiting for that pause. We're waiting for that pause at the beginning.
The Connie. I mean, it could have been a Guerrero.
Yep.
Could have been Inform Higuain.
But no, we got it.
Place on time for this.
Get it in the van.
Discard the rest.
Okay. 25k back. One of these has to have something alright.
All it is, 50k back is tempting now. Very tempting.
I'll melt a bit. I like that. Stop squeezing the chair, please. Oh, we got a West Ham player. This one goes out with Freddie. Here we go. Come on. Oh! God damn it. We need something good. Come on, just one more thing good, and I will go home a happy man, even though I'm already home. Right, we're gonna walk out the room. Let's walk out. We're gonna walk out the room for a walkout. Come back in. Oh, yep, that was worth it, wasn't it? Hernandez. Hernandez. Oh, Wendell! What's that? I used to have him. Yeah. Just disgraceful. Right, come on, something. Anything.
That's 25k.
Oh, mate, free price there. Triple Spanish.
Keep anything? Fake Suarez?
No. Fake Suarez as well.
You could have done 50k back. That's risky.
Right. We're going for 135k. Okay, so we move back to the 15k packs because 25k packs are no longer with us. Sad day in the history of us.
Just had a Man United back from 9
And change the picture and the stats.
Yeah. So basically,
right, so we're going to send him to the transfer list, of course. Mate, look at this guy. 92 weeks, come on, skills. 4-star skills. Mate, I'm keeping this lad.
He might sell.
I've kept him. He's mine now.
Yeah, but he might sell.
Yeah, nothing in the pack, discard it all.
I mean, we've got 53k as well.
Right, come on, something. Just one more good thing. One more thing. Oh, that's a decent player. That's a decent player. 84. Oh, it's Joe Hart.
It's going to improve Reno. I mean, come on.
No. No, there's no dandruff.
We're sending to your club.
Hate you.
And you forgot to keep them last time. And that. And just got the rest. 56k plus 100k.
Opening out.
Oh,
it's just nothing.
What should be
it's just not good.
Skipted?
It's just not good. Morata, that's you're right. Come on, something. He's doing a nose pack. The nose pack's being done. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh, it's not even good.
Oh, we got 2 rare.
We got 2 rare silvers in a gold pack. Yeah, you need to fix this. You need to fix your lives. Right, you can't see this, but I'm doing a toe pack. It's Josh's controller, so
yeah, I just forgot about that.
With the toe.
6 packs left.
Did it. All that for nothing. What do we get? I don't know. It's
Just
you see Russia and you're just like, there's no one good.
I know. He's got 87 pace for a right back, to be fair.
Don't give a damn about his 87 pace.
Keep the score figures.
Ooh, legs can actually help. Ooh, we got a contract, lad. We got a contract, boys. It's good.
What a pack.
I
What
mean,
pack?
it's going to be the best pack on this pack opening. It's guaranteed contracts.
I mean, I don't think we're going to top De Bruyne with 5
Yeah,
packs.
we're most definitely not topping De Bruyne.
I'm just going to skip it, there's nothing in it.
I was just like the peak of the pack opening. Go! We got China boy! We got a China boy!
The
Hey!
Elephant Man! The Elephant Man!
Diego Costa, the Elephant Man!
As
Oh
Conte
my
said,
God.
go to China! Go to China!
Yeah, by the
Can
way-
I discard him?
No.
I'm joking.
No, you can't discard. I need the money. I'm poor, man. Yeah, Josh is actually a Chelsea fan, and he hates Costa now, don't you, Josh?
Go to China! Go to China!
Okay, so we've got 4 packs left. We've got 2 each. Just need that pause.
Wait. I just skipped Costa. I'm glad I did that. Nastastic, whatever his name is.
Nastastich.
Well, I was right. Nastastic.
Nastastich. Keep that. I'll use that 6 training against against Lucas one day.
You sweaty little boy.
Oh, for God's sakes. So at this point, my recording thing stopped working. My Elgato was still working, but the thing I actually used to record had actually stopped working, so that really annoyed me and Josh. So as you can see, this packaging was a sick one. We only have 2 packs left, so we decided to open them. This one was my first one, and at first we thought, oh, it's not really that good. So right back Spain, I was thinking maybe it's like that guy we got earlier, but no, it was Bellerin. So yeah, that's a pretty decent one. Okay, so this was the last pack of the pack opening. This was Josh's one, not mine. So we thought we'd end it on a high. Open up the 50 gear pack. We did a lot of stretching for this one, and we got Bernat, an 82 rated Bernat, which was not a good way to end the pack opening. But then